Hi everyone, day 11 of the 31 days to get organised challenges. I might need it one day clutter. For the next couple of days, I want to talk about specific kinds of I might need it one day clutter. How's this? If you describe yourself as a fantastic shopper, if you say, I'm the person who can find a bargain wherever I go, if you're the person who gets online late at night, goes out to thrift stores hunting bargains, or when you're feeling a bit down or sad, goes shopping for that special sale item, hold up. Today's the day I want you to look at those items, those bargain items, those really on sale items, and really start to back away from that stuff. Because research shows that when you buy stuff, especially spontaneously, it gives you this quick rush of excitement which quickly dies off, and then you're left with a home full of stuff that you thought would create happiness but instead just creates a lot of clutter around you. So today it's all about bargain shoppers and the sale. If you have a lot of that stuff in your home, be tough. Recognize it for what it is, a quick rush of excitement. Pull it out of your home, donate, give away, return the items for the money you paid for it, and again start to clear the I might need it clutter from your home. And we'll be talking a little further later in the week about changing that script in your head. Get to it.